what should be the first thing that when you have an equation that asks you to plot the intercepts that you should know to do?
Solve for the variables.
Okay, so we kind of have to do that a couple of different ways. We're looking to say, okay, is this one going to have both an x-intercept and a y-intercept?
Yes.
Yes. All right, so my x-intercept, I know I'm going to need. And when I do my x-intercept, what's my ordered pair going to look like?
X, 0, 0.
How about x comma 0? Because y would be equal to 0 here. Okay? Please go sit down and stop disrupting my class. Okay? And then I'm also going to have to find my y-intercept. And when I find my y-intercept, my ordered pair would be what? 0y. And x would be equal to 0. So do we all agree with that?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to use the same equation for both. Here's my equation. So I'm going to do x is equal to 2y. Are we agree? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. That's a smart catch, because if we messed that up, we'd have been in trouble. Okay, negative 2y. So I'm going to let my 0 equal y. Everybody agree? So it's actually going to be x is equal to a negative 2 times 0. So what is x equal to?
0.
0. Everybody agree?
Yeah.
All right. So then, what's my ordered pair going to be? 0, 0. Okay. Then I've got my y-intercept. Everybody agree?
Yes.
I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use the same equation. X is equal to negative 2y. That's how I remembered my negative. So I'm going to replace x with a 0. So 0 is equal to negative 2y. I'm going to divide by negative 2. And y is going to equal what? 0. So what's my ordered pair? 0, 0. So now when I go to graph, I'm going to graph my x-intercept at 0, 0. And then I'm going to graph my y-intercept at 0, 0. And so now I've got a problem, because where are they? Right on top of each other. So now I have a problem. Everybody agree? I only have 1 point, and we can't graph a line with just 1 point. You got a good idea? Could be a bad idea too. I'll take either.
You could also just like substitute x for like another number, like if x equals 6, then y would equal negative 3.
Okay.
So then you can plot that point and see which way the line goes.
Perfect. All right, hold on. We're having some technical difficulties. Shh. Boys, can you not function over there? All right, say that one more time. We had some technical difficulties that was distracting.
You can substitute x for a multiple of 2.
Uh-huh.
So you can do if x equals 6, then y would equal negative 3. So you can plot that point and then see which way the line goes.
You could, yeah. Or you could pick a value for y, right? And let x, and find out what x is, right? Because you can multiply something by negative 2. So let's say we let y be, what number do you want to pick?
4.
4? Okay. 4. Shh, stop. So if y is equal to 4, and we have the equation x is equal to negative 2y, then that's really the same as x is equal to a negative 2 times 4, which would be x would be equal to a negative 8. And what would our ordered pair be? Negative 8, 4. Now the only problem with that is that's not on our graph. So picking 4 probably wasn't the best one to pick. Everybody agree? What would be an easier one to pick? 1 would be the best.
Yes.
Because everybody can multiply by 1. Surely to goodness. Okay, so 1. So if y is equal to 1, then we have x is equal to a negative 2 times 1. So x would be equal to a negative 2, and our ordered pair would be negative 2, 1. So now I could go plot negative 2, 1, and know that that's my line. Does that make sense? Yes or maybe?
Yes.
Okay? So then when we got ready to draw our line, it would look like so. Alright, does that make sense? But it still only has one intercept because x and y both happen to be the same.